Most mysterious things found in ice. One day, two men were walking next to a frozen lake in Utah, USA. That's when, on the lake, they spotted a mysterious-looking circle. The circle was made of many strange holes in the ice. It kind of looked like an alien nest. A video of this went viral and no one had any idea what it was. That was until one girl named Claire Lewis explained that she was behind the circle. It turns out it was part of an art project. All of the white things inside the holes were actually made of flour and salt. But even if this isn't made by aliens, it still looks incredibly creepy and cursed. One day, NASA scientists found this massive ice sheet in the Arctic. The iceberg is massive, symmetrical, and rectangular. It almost doesn't look natural. Some say it looks like the base to a structure which no longer exists, or maybe is yet to be built. In 2015, someone was ice skating on a lake in Maryland, USA. But that's when they saw a snake on the frozen lake. Snakes are cold-blooded but normally can't survive in freezing temperatures, meaning that the snake was likely hibernating and got disturbed. The exact species of snake is not yet known, but I wouldn't mess with any snake that big. These are the most mysterious underwater discoveries. In 2012, the ancient Egyptian city of Heraklion was discovered. This was found off the northern coast of Egypt. For many years, people thought this place wasn't real, but they discovered that it was. They found statues of Egyptian and Greek gods, and even massive columns with mysterious messages written on them. To this day, it's not known how the ancient city ended up underwater. Some blame an earthquake, while others say it was a tsunami. In 1944, a tank and its crew went missing. But in 2007, the tank was found in the Baltic Sea. The crew's belongings were inside the tank, and what happened to the crew is also unexplained. In 2011, sonar equipment found something strange. It looked like a gigantic spaceship had crashed into the sea. Some speculated this could have been a military aircraft that crashed into the sea. Scariest things people found in the woods. One day, a man in the United States was walking in the woods. That's when he saw this very eerie sign. It seems like the sign might be warning you that something demonic lives in the woods. As of yet, no one has a clear explanation of what this sign means. A few years ago, a hunter put a trail cam in some woods in order to find where deer were going. But when he looked at the images, he realized the trail cam had detected something strange. A large man in a scary clown costume was seen walking alone in the woods. One day, a Russian couple was walking in the woods. That's when, under some branches and snow, they found the wreckage of a plane. It turned out the plane had set off from Siberia and had crashed in the woods. This image from the 1980s shows a man in a national park, but neither the photographer nor the man in the photo realized this man. It was only when they were looking at the photos years later that they noticed this very creepy man hiding in the woods.